Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani, and to continue our mathematics session, in this session we will see permutations and combinations, its basic or introductory part. Do you know, in the everyday life that we have many times it come to know that how many times a certain thing occur when there are some possibilities or options are there. There are two fundamental principles of counting, one that called as addition rule and second that called as multiplication rule. What is addition rule? If there are suppose two things that occur separately, one thing occur in suppose m number of ways and second thing occur suppose in n number of ways, then according to the first principle that called as addition rule, if the total number of ways we required in which the first thing or the second thing, that means it comes or first or second thing occur, is there m plus n. So what is m plus n? That is the total number of ways in which first or second thing can occur. First or second thing can occur is m plus n, where separately number of ways are for first thing m ways and for second thing it is n ways. This is the addition rule. It is used for or means either or, that means first or second thing. Now the second that called as multiplication rule. According to that multiplication rule, if there are two things, the first thing occur in m ways, second thing occur in n ways like in previous case, but now it is required in how many ways? The first and second thing occur, that is now and for that and it is the multiplication m into n. Means if it is first and second thing to occur, very important here, first and second thing, in previous it was or, then it is m into n. So you come to know, if it is or, m plus n, if it is n, m into n. For the or it is addition and for the and it is multiplication. To understand this, we will take an example, and that will take very interested example. Suppose there are 11 cricket players. As you know, a team of 11 cricket players there in a team, and they want to select among themselves a captain and a vice captain, and it is asked the question like this: in how many ways, total number of ways in which a captain and a vice captain can be selected. Total number of ways of selecting a captain and a vice captain among themselves. Captain and vice captain among themselves. So that is the total number of ways, in means how many ways in which this cricket team can select among themselves a captain and a vice captain. How to solve this? According to this principle, now see, there are 11 cricket players, they are in the team. Out of that, anyone can become a captain. Means a captain can be selected in 11 ways. Anyone can become captain out of 11 players in the team. Then a captain can be selected in 11 ways. And after selecting a captain, there will remain 10 cricket players. Among that, anyone can be selected as a vice captain. Means a vice captain can be selected in 10 ways, a captain can be selected in 11 ways, but it is necessary to select both a captain and a vice captain. So because it is and, it required such product 11 into 10, that is 110 ways. So what is the answer for this question? In how many ways a cricket team can select a captain and a vice captain among themselves? Is 110 ways. In short, first a captain is selected in 11 ways. If a vice captain among the remaining 10 players, anyone can become vice captain, means in 10 ways. And by fundamental principle, it will give total number of ways as 110 ways. in the today's session, we will take one more topic that is called as factorial notation. What is mean by factorial notation? In general, a natural number is denoted by small n. Remember, a natural number is denoted by n, and we know n means such natural numbers 1, 2, 3, that positive integers. And now it is a factorial that denoted by n factorial or such symbol. This symbol is more common for n factorial. What is n factorial? It is the product of first n natural numbers is called as n factorial, means n factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into dash 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 up to n. It can be written in the reverse order, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 dash dash dash, last few terms will be like this, 3 to 1. Remember, it is very interested property. For example, if you want 5 factorial can be written 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, or even it can be written 5 into 4 into remaining, but remaining is 3 factorial. Means it is 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. Example, 100 factorial can be written 100 into 99, 98 into dash dash dash, and that dash 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 will be 97 factorial. This is very important property, that is the factorial. So this is brief idea about the first part in permutation and combination. If you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel and press that bell button icon to get our video notification. Thanks.